I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to your Affirm wallet is a straightforward process. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Wallet. Once you're in the app, find and tap on the Wallet option located in the bottom menu. Step 3. Select Add Card. In the Wallet section, look for the Add Card button and tap on it to begin the process of adding your credit card. Step 4. Enter card details. Fill in the required information for your credit card, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos before proceeding. Step 5. Save and confirm. After entering your card details, tap the Save button to confirm. You should see a confirmation message that your card has been added successfully. If you accidentally enter an incorrect expiration date, the app will prompt you to correct it before saving. I hope this helps you add your credit card easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.